ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अय्युन्
अय्युन्
ऋलग्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔज्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लन्
न्यामङणनं
न्यामाङ्गणम्
जभै
जभै
घटधश्
घटधश्
जबगढदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ चटतौ
खचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इच्छुयशानां तालु
इच्छुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऊपु उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गणानां नासिका च
न्यामाङ्गणानां नासिका च
एदैतो कंठतालु
वेदैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौतो कंठ ओष्टम
ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जुह्वामूलीयस्य जुह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामानास्ति परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
भो राम रामुद्धर
रामः रामो रामाः
रामौ रामाः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरिः हरयः
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
गुरुः गुरवः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
एषः एतौ एते
एषः एतौ एते
अयम् इमौ इमे
अयम् इमौ इमे
सह तौ ते
सह तौ ते
कः कौके
कः कौके
रमा रमे रमाः
रमा रमे रमाः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
मतिः मती मतयः
मतिः मती मतयः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
माता मातरौ मातरः
माता मातरौ मातरः
एषा एते एताः
एषा एते एताः
इयम् इमे इमाः
इयम् इमे इमाः
सा ते ताः
सा ते ताः
का के काः
का के काः
फलं फले फलानि
फलं फले फलानि
एतत् एते एतानि
एतत् एते एतानि
इदम् इमे इमानि
इदम् इमे इमानि
तत्तेतानि
तत् तानि
किं केकानि
किं के कानि
ಅದು ಬರೀ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ We'll do it from the beginning itself. I think we have done few of them. Umaji, you please do. Start.
ये अभ्यासः एषः बालः एषा बालिका सा महिला सः पुरुषः एषः पिता एषा माता सा भगिनी सा कर्तरी सा कटी सा कर्तरी
सा घटी
सा घटी इदं यानं सः
तत् यानं वै इदं
सारी
तत्
तद् यानं सः वृक्षः एषः एतौ बल्लुकौ
सः वृक्षः वै एतौ. It has to be the same shabda, the same demonstrative pronoun.
Sorry, tau ballukau. तानि पुस्तकानि ते बालाः सः नरः एषः बल्लूकः
सः नरः. What is saha? The same thing has to come. Why yeshaha? Demonstrative pronoun has to be the same pratipadikam. Tat pratipadikam. Saha naraha, saha ballukaha.
Okay.
Why yeshaha? Why not ayam? The question comes.
सः नरः सः बल्लूकः ते शाटिके ते नेत्रे इमे लते इमौ बिडालौ ते व्यजने तौ भ्रातरौ ते पत्न्यौ ते गौर्यौ.
Good.
इमे कमले एते भार्ये.
Not ete. Ime idam shabda.
Okay, sorry. इमे भार्ये इमे नेतारः इमानि पर्याणि पर्णानि इमौ नकुलौ इमे विमले इमे नेतारः इमानि पर्णानि. The same word is coming here also. Ayam Arjunaha idam griham imani patrani imaha nadyah ime yodaha imaha patrikaha ime रूपे इमे अध्यापिके.
Which is same one?
No, this is what this is. Ime netarah paryani. The same word is coming next word also here, sir. Ime netarah next.
Ime netarah. Let me check. It's okay. No problem. Leave it. Fine. Continue.
Imau gayakau ime naryau tad vahanam sa vriddaha sa vridda etat relyanam eshaha naraha. Sorry. Etat relyanam.
It's correct only.
Correct. Okay. Yete nanake.
If you have doubt, it is wrong then.
Okay.
Continue.
Yete nanake. Yete Gajapati.
Next person. Deepika.
Ji Guruji.
Udaharanam drishtva vakyani rachayata. This you have to know. Okay. I think this you can given here. Tat vatayanam, etat vatayanam, idam vatayanam.
Yes, Guruji.
So with the words, your choice. You want to use tat, or you want to use etat, or you want to use idam.
Okay.
You can take it from this first line, any shabda. Any three shabda you take and please do.
Okay, Guruji. Girayaha. So, Eshaha. Girayaha.
How can yeshaha gireha be a valid sentence?
Oh, sorry, Guruji. I am Girayaha.
Then also how is it valid?
Sorry, Sahat Girayaha. Tau Girau.
Then also how it is valid? There will be the same mistake for everything.
Giri is like Hari, no, Guruji?
Yes. But you are saying saha girayaha, yeshaha girayaha, ayam girayaha, it is wrong. Why it is wrong?
Giri will be masculine gender, pulling.
That doesn't matter. That's correct only. That's not a problem here. Saha girayaha, what is the dosha in the sentence?
It is a tat.
You yourself said giri. Then you are saying girayaha and saha girayaha.
Oh, sorry, te Girayaha.
Te girayaha.
Yes.
Saha girihi. Yeshaha girihi. Ayam girihi.
Oh, yes. Then Nidhihi will be the same. Eshaha Nidhihi. Eshe Nidhi.
That is not yeshe. That is yeshe. You have never seen such word at all. There is no such word in the language. Yeshe.
Etau Nidhi. Ete Nidhayaha. Then Mahishaha. The Pratipadikam will be
Mahishaha, not Mahishaha.
Mahishaha.
Mahishaha, not Mahishaha.
Yeah, Mahishaha. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Mahishaha is the word. So, Ayam Mahishaha, Imau Mahishau, Ime Mahishaha. Then Shibika. So, it is Shibika is a feminine gender. Esha Shibika. Ete Shibika. Shibike, etaha, shibikaha. Then vihagaha. So it's a masculine gender. So again, ayam vihagaha, imau vihagau, ime vihagaha. Then bhumika is a feminine gender.
Bhumika.
Bhumika. Sa bhumika. Te bhumike. Taha bhumikaha. Gishpati. Gishpati. So saha.
Gishpatihi.
Gishpati. Gishpatihi. Saha gishpatihi. Tau gishpati. Te gishpatayaha. Then vriddhaha. Sa esha ha vriddha. Ime vriddhe. Imaha vriddhaha.
Then why yesha? Yam vriddha.
So sa vriddha.
Then te vriddhe. Taha vriddhaha.
Yeah. Sa vriddha. Te vriddhe. Taha vriddhaha.
Next person. Akanksha. Next line.
Yes, Guruji. Hridah.
Take any 5 words. It's enough.
Yes, Guruji. Hridah Shabda. So, Saha Hridah. Tau Hridau. Te Hridaha.
Not a ru, it is Hradaha. Hradaha, Hradau, Hradaha. Hra is different. Hra is different. Hra is consonant vowel combination. Hra. Hra is Hakara plus Repa plus. It's a conjunct consonant.
Satyam Shabda. So, Satya is the Pratipadikam. Tat Satyam. Te Satye. Tani Satyani. Next, Kachapaha. So, Kachapa is the Pratipadikam. Eshaha Kachapaha. Etau Kachapau. Ete Kachapaha. Then Vignyapana. So the Pratipadikam is Vignyapana only. Guruji, this is female Strilinga gender, no?
Yes.
Okay. So Esha Vignyapana. Ete Vignyapane. Etaha Vignyapanaha. And Bhandani Shabda. So Bhanda is the Pratipadikam. Tat Bhandam. Te Bhande. Tani Bhandani.
Next person. Again, Priyaji. Next line.
Yes, Ji.
You can take any 5 words.
Yes. Aharaha.
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 First, all of you have to learn to read correctly.
Aharaha. This is Pullinga Shabdam.
If you say aharaha, it is ekavachan. Aharaha, Bhagavachan. Whether it is ekavachan or Bhagavachan, it should be clear from your reading.
Yes, Ji.
Aharaha. Aharaha. That's a difference. Big difference. Yes.
Yes, yes. Yeshaha aharaha. Etau aharau. Ete aharaha. Kalika. Kalikaha. This is also masculine gender.
Not masculine. Kalika is reading Akaranta Shabda.
Then it is Kalika. Kalika. Rama, Rame, Ramaha Shabdam. Isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Yesha Kalika. Yete Kalike. Sorry, sir. Yete Kalike. Yeta Kalikaha.
Etaha Kalikaha. Don't miss the Visarga.
Yetaha Kalikaha. This is Malaha Shabdam. Malam. This is also Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam.
Yes.
Yeshaha Malaha. Etau Malau. Ete Malaha. Gauravam. This is a Napumsakalinga Shabdam. Tad Gauravam. Sir, sir. Can we say Tad also, Ji?
Why not?
Tad Gauravam. Te Palam Pale Palani. Gaurave. Tani Gauravani. Kankaha Shabdam. This is also masculine. Bahuvachanam.
It is not Gangaha, it is Kadgaha. Kadgaha, Bhagavachanam.
Kadgaha.
It is
Then you
not,
can tell.
it is
So
not Kangaha, Kad. Dakara.
Kadgaha. Kadgaha.
Kadgaha is there in the screen. Not Kadgaha.
Kadgaha. Kadgaha.
Masculine.
Yes, Ji. Can we use Saha Tau Teji?
Your choice.
Okay. Saha Kadgaha Tau Kadgau Te Kadgaha.
Next person. Subbalakshmi, next line.
शाटिका शाटिका एषः शाटिका
How can it be Yeshaha? Think before you
Yesha.
say.
गुरुजी
Yesha Shatika, not Yeshaha.
एषा शाटिका एते शाटिके एताः शाटिकाः
Okay.
कर्ता एषः कर्ता एते कर्ते एषा एताः सारी कर्ता कर्तारः कर्तारौ कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः एषः कर्ता एते एतौ कर्तारौ एताः कर्तारः नाटकम् तत् नाटकं
Natakam, not Nadagam.
नाटकं ते नाटके तानि नाटकानि कवयः एषः कवि एते कवि
Yeshaha Kavihi.
कविः एते कवि एषाः एताः कवयः
Okay.
सः मार्जारः ते मार्जारौ ताः मार्जाराः
Saha Marjaraha. Okay. Te Marjaru.
तौ मार्जारौ सः तौ ते मार्जारौ ताः मार्जाराः
No, you're saying it wrongly again. Tau Marjaru. Tau Marjaru. Not Te Marjaru. Marjara is Pullinga. Marjaraha, Marjaru, Marjaraha. Saha Tau Te. Saha Marjaraha.
तौ मार्जारौ ते
Then-
मार्जारः
Marjaraha. If it is Marjaraha,
मार्जाराः
what's the difference between Ekavachana? Marjaraha, you have to say.
मार्जाराः
Okay.
पत्नी
Hmm.
एषा पत्नी एते पत्न्यौ एताः पत्न्यः
Patnyaha. Okay. Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Any 5 words, your
Yes.
choice.
Yes, okay. Panini. Panini. Idam. Idam. Pani. Idam. Idam Paninam. Ime. Panine. Imani. Paninani.
But Paninani, where is that?
Panini.
But Paninani comes if it is Apumsakalinga.
Okay.
Then Paninam, Panine, Paninani. There is not Paninani, the word in the line.
Sorry, Guruji. Panini.
Panini is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Because it is ending with E, don't think like Palani. That's a mistake I think you're doing.
Oh, sorry, Guruji. Sorry.
If
Okay.
Panina is a Shabda, then Paninam, Panne, Paninani. But Panina is not the Shabda. Panini is a Shabda. It is Ikaranta Shabda. You have to see that. Panini, Ikaranta Shabda. It's the name of the Rishi.
Okay, Guruji. Sorry.
Panini Maharishi. So Ikaranta Shabda. Now do it.
Kanganam.
No, do it correctly, Panini.
Okay. Panini. एषः पाणि एषः पाणि एतौ
What is Pani? Where is Pani?
पाणि
Yeshaha Paninihi. Ikaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda is said. What Pullinga Shabda you know? Ikaranta.
Okay.
What Shabda you know? Answer. What?
Hari.
The same thing. What's the difficulty? There's no
Okay.
difficulty here. It's like Hari Shabda.
Hari Shabda. Okay.
Same thing, you do it.
Panini. Okay. एषः पाणिनि
Paninihi. Harihi is there, right? First you tell Hari Shabda.
Harihi. Sorry, Guruji.
You
Pani-
tell Hari Shabda. You tell Hari Shabda first. Pratama Vibhakti.
Harihi, Hari, Harayaha.
The same Panini, you do it.
Okay, Guruji.
You do
Yeshaha,
it. Not okay. You do it, I'm saying. You do it. Harihi, Hari, Hariha. What is Panini?
Panini, Paninayaha.
Paninihi, Panini, Paninayaha. It is Paninihi. Don't remove the Visarga.
Okay.
Harihi, Hari, Hariha. Not Hari, Hariha. Visarga is there in Harihi. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. The same year also.
Yes.
Paninihi.
Yes, Guruji. Paninihi, Paninayaha. Next one, Kanganam.
Do the Vakya. You are not in the Vakya. You decline the Shabda. What about the Vakya?
Okay. Yeshaha, Paninihi. Etau, Panini. Ete, Paninayaha.
Okay.
Kanganam. This is Nabushakalingam.
Not Kanganam. Kanganam is in Tamil.
Kankanam.
Kankanam. Ka, not Ga.
Kankanam.
Okay.
This is Nabusakalinga. So, idam, that is Pratipadikam is Kankana. Idam.
Pratipadikam. Still you have not corrected your pronunciation.
Pratipadikam. Idam Kankanam. Ime Kankane. Kankane. Imani Kankanani. Kankanani.
Okay.
Next, Samskrite. This is also Napumsakalingam. Samskritam, Samskrite, Samskridani. So, idam Samskritam, ime Samskrite, imani Samskridani. Samskritani.
You say Samskritam or Samskritam?
Samskritam.
Then say it properly, Samskritani.
Samskritani.
When the listeners hear your pronunciation, you should not have any doubt. Doubt is that means your pronunciation is not correct. Okay, continue.
Okay. Murtayaha. This is there is Madihi Shabdaha. That is a Strilingaha, Madihi Shabdaha, same.
There is no Madi. Still, you have to correct your pronunciation. It is after so many classes still Mati, not Mati. You see, it's the same problem is continuous. Pradipadikam you say, Kanganam you say, and Madi you are saying. It is
Matihi.
Mati, not Madi. Mati.
Mati.
Madi is, listen, Madi is, Dakara is, it's a soft consonant. Mati is hard consonant. It is hard consonant is Vallinam in Tamil. Mati. Madi is different. Mati is different. Mati, not Madi. There is no word Madi. Mati only is a Mati means Buddhi, intellect.
Okay.
Yes.
Eshaha Murtihi.
What can be Murti? You said Mati Shabda. Mati is Strilinga, and you are saying Eshaha. There's a contradiction.
Sorry, Guruji. Sa Murtihi. Te Murti. Taha Murteha.
Yes, next person. Deepika ji. Next line.
Thank you.
Yes, Guruji. Jalam. So, idam jalam, ime jale, imani jalani. Vishnu, Vishnavaha. Eshaha Vishnu.
Vishnuhu.
Oh, yes. Eshaha Vishnuhu. Etau Vishnave. Ete.
Vishnave, it's a new one. Where is Vishnave in the Shabda?
Vishnavau.
Vishnavo.
Vishnuhu, Guruhu, Guru. I mean Vishnu. And Ete Vishnavaha. Then Kalevaram. Etat Kalevaram. Ete Kalevare. Etani Kalevarani. Then Kukuraha. No, Odanam. Tat Odanam. Tat Te Odane. Tani Odanani.
Okay.
Then all are same. Vadanam. So, idam vadanam, ime vadane, imani vadanani.
Yes, next person. So you have to write this.
Yes.
Practice all the words till you become familiar, till your when you say from a vakya should be flawless. Okay, I've given here some of the words and their meanings. Yet you have to remember because the examples come. So based on these words, often used words. I've written the word, its meaning and gender within bracket. Okay, you can just go through this words. The meanings are all there in the first the book. The vocabulary is there at the end. You will find the meaning. Otherwise, spokensanskrit.org. You see, you will get the meaning. All the words we have seen. In fact, all the words we have seen. Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Whatever words we have used so far, all those words are collected here, given. So you can write the meaning and the gender. It's your homework. Okay. Then so therefore we don't have to do anything here. It's your homework. Agnipetika Strilinga. Akaranta Strilinga means matchbox. Nasa Nasa is nose, nasa, nasika, akaranta, strilinga. All these words we have seen: Pipilika, Shatika, Bhasha, Mati, Shakti, Lata, Vidya. Lata is creeper. Vasudha means Prithvi. So it's a homework. Please do it. You have to remember that this vocabulary must be there with you. Okay. Now the next one. The next person. Akanksha ji.
Yes, Guruji. एषः कः एषः बालः रामः बालः
You can see the sentence. Eshaha kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam, kaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Therefore, it's a valid sentence. Answer is Eshaha Balaha. And the Bala is Rama. The name of the boy is Rama. So, Eshaha Balaha, Eshaha Ramaha. Instead of saying 2 times, just say it 1 time. This boy is Rama. All are in Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then the sentence is a valid sentence. Eshaha 1-1, Balaha 1-1, Ramaha is also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right?
Yes.
Okay, continue.
बालः किं करोति बालः पठति
Karoti, Patati, Kriyapadam. Verbal forms. Balaha is noun form. So a sentence must have Kriyapadam. Yeshaha kaha, where is the Kriya? You have to supply if it is not there. Asti. Similarly, Yeshaha Balaha, there is some echo in your side.
Yes.
Yeshaha Balaha, Ramaha, Asti, you have to supply. Okay. Continue.
इमौ कौ इमौ कुक्कुरौ who are these two? These two are dogs. Both imau and kau are dvivachanam. Prathama vibhakti dvivachanam.
Okay, continue.
Imau kim kurutaha. Imau bukkataha.
Here it is Kurutaha. Kriya Padam is Dvivachana. Here it is Pratama Purusha, 3rd person. And Vachanam is Dvivachanam. Kurutaha. Kim Kurutaha. What are these two doing? So in keeping with the Imau, the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam has to change. Imau is Dvivachanam. So it is Kurutaha, not Karoti. We compare the previous sentence. Previous sentence, Balaha Kim Karoti. Here it is Kurutaha because 2. So therefore, Karoti Kurutaha. Balaha Karoti Balau Kurutaha. Right? Adhyapakaha Patati or Patayati. Adhyapakau Patayataha. It will be. Don't worry, just know the forms. Karoti Kurutaha. Important verb. Karoti is singular. Kurutaha is dual. The next sentence you can read.
Guruji, karoti is also gender specific, is it?
Kriya Padam does not gender specific.
Okay.
Kriya is Kriya. Doesn't depend, doesn't have any connection with gender.
Okay.
Then becomes more complicated. Yes, continue.
Te ke te kukkuraha. Te kim kurvanti. Te bukkanti.
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 So you can see the Kriya Padam here. Kurvanti. So Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti. You have to observe. Te is there, therefore Kurvanti. Te Kurutaha you cannot say. Te Karoti you cannot say. Because mismatch of Vachanam. Te Kurvanti. Therefore, remember. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti. This you need to know it. Saha Karoti, तौ कुरुतः ते कुर्वन्ति सा करोति ते कुरुतः ताः कुर्वन्ति Similarly, bukkatah bukkanti. 2 dogs bukkatah. Many dogs bukkanti. Bark. Bukkanti means barking. 1 dog bukkati. Bukkati, bukkatah, bukkanti. Okay, just an introduction to the Kriya Padams. We will see that in detail later. But this much you have to know. Then this Shabdas, which you have to remember. Don't drop the Visarga. Many people have seen dropping the Visarga. When they do the sentence, Yesha they say, Ta they say, it's a mistake. Yeshaha, Yeto, Yete. Don't drop the Visarga. Etat Shabda, in Pullinga, Yeshaha, Yeto, Yete, we chanted at the beginning of the class. The same thing is given in the table here. So these are the forms of the demonstrative pronoun Prathama Vibhakti. When you have the proper noun, find out the gender of the proper noun, decline that, then with the demonstrative pronoun, we match. That makes a sentence. That is exercise we did. Okay, this is only a summary. Then the next one, Akanksha, you read.
Yes,
It is in
Guruji.
Sanskritam, you read.
Etani dhyatavyani.
You know what is this etani is what?
It is Napumsakaling Bahuvachanam Prathama.
Napumsakalingaha, not Napumsakalinganda.
Sorry, Napumsakalingaha Bahuvachanam Prathama Vibhakti.
Dhyatavyani.
Dhyatavyani. So, Dhyatavya
Yes.
Shabda.
Dhyatavya Shabda, Napumsakalinga.
Yes.
Dhyatavyam, Dhyatavye, Dhyatavyani. Etani Dhyatavyani. These things should be remembered.
Okay.
Now read.
Prashnaha Kati Lingani Bhavanti.
Prashnaha means question. Question is, how many lingas are there? Kati lingani bhavanti. Then uttaram. Uttaram, that short form I have written. Uttaram. Answer.
Uttaram. Pumlinga. Pumlinga. Strilingam. Pumlingam. Strilingam. Napumsakalingam. Cha iti trini lingani bhavanti.
3 lingas, 3 genders are there. Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga. Next person, Yajnapriyaji. Next question.
Yes, ji. Prashnaha. Kati purushaha bhavanti.
Purushaha bhavanti.
Sorry ji. Kati purushaha bhavanti. Uttaram. Prathama purushaha. Madhyama purushaha. Uttama purushaha. Cha iti trayaha purushaha bhavanti.
What does it mean? You understand?
Kati, how many purushas are there? That is Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, 3 Purushas.
Yes. Next person. Subrakshani.
कति वचन प्रश्न कति वचनानि भवन्ति प्रश्नः प्रश्नः कति वचनानि भवन्ति प्रश्नः
not naka prashnaha
प्रश्नः कति वचनानि भवन्ति उत्तरम् एकवचनं उत्तरम् एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं च इति त्रीणि वचनानि भवन्ति.
What does it mean?
How many vachanams?
What do you mean by vachanam? In English, what do you say vachanam? Number.
Yes.
Vachanam is number.
Yes.
Linga is gender. Purusha is person. Okay. How many numbers are there? Ekavachanam, singular, dual, and plural.
Dual, Bahuvachanam, plural.
iti, three numbers are there. Okay. Then this translation, I don't know whether you have done. This is for this vocabulary is important. Now, Sublakshmi, start.
These are two horses. Etau, Ashwau. These
Hmm.
are
Good.
these two are female students.
Slowly you do it. Okay.
These
These horses are
two
there.
are female students. These two
First-
are female students.
Listen, listen. Horses are there. Take the word first. Horse. What is the word for horse? Then tell the what number is there. Then take the demonstrative pronoun. You construct the sentence, the class.
Okay.
Hmm.
These are two horses. Horses means Ashvaka. Two means
This file I have sent you.
Ashwau. So these are
the-
two.
Listen, this file already I have sent to all of you. All the answers are hidden. If you go and bold it, you will see the answers. Don't look for the answers immediately. You try it. If mistake is there, correct yourself. But answers are there. For each sentence, the answers you don't see, but it is there. You make it, you select and change the color. You will find the answers. But anyway, I have sent you a PDF file, I think. So you can't do this. Answers are there. Okay. Anyway, fine. Continue.
These are two female students. Students means chatra. Female student means chatra. Two female students. So ime chatre.
Image chart 3. Okay.
Those are monkeys. Monkeys vanara vanaram vanaraha. Those means te vanaraha.
Good.
Bahuvachanam and so te vanaraha. This is a book. Book means pustakam. This is a book. Etat pustakam.
Okay.
Those are glasses. It is given for glasses. Shashaka.
Chashaka. Not Shashaka. Chashaka.
Shashaka. The Shashaka.
Shashaka is different. Chashaka. Palatal, cerebral.
Shashaka.
Chashaka. Chashaka.
Shashaka.
Okay. Yeah.
Those are glasses. Te Shashakaka.
Good. Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. That is a telephone. Saha Durvani. Durvani.
Saha Duravani.
No. 1 minute. Idam. Yeah, sorry. Tad Durvani.
Tat Durvani.
These
What is
are
Tat Durvani? How it is? What is Duravani? First you understand. So I said you want take this pronoun, understand it,
okay.
then see the pronoun. First you take the proper noun and then see the pronoun. Duravani is what is the word? What do you understand by this word? What are the information you can get from this word?
This is a telephone.
Meaning is not required. What are the other details regarding the Pratipadikam? Duravani, you get. First of all, it's a Pratipadikam. That is number 1.
Yes.
What are the information you have about it? Others?
No, Napumsakalingam. Duravani is.
No. Who's a Napumsakalingam?
No.
Duravani is the.
Strilinga.
Yeah.
Nadi Shabda like that.
Nadi Shabdavat. It is Strilinga.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
You are confusing with the Palani. That's a problem.
Oh, yes, Guruji. Du- Duravani. Okay.
So that is a telephone. Now translate.
Okay, Guruji.
Do the translation.
That is telephone. Next word.
No, that is a telephone is there. Fine. What is the Sanskrita Vakya for that? What is a word for that? It's not a difficult thing.
Yes. Yeah, no, Guruji, 1 minute. Thag Duravani.
Duravani is Strilinga. Tat is Napumsakalinga. You're doing the same mistake.
Sa Duravani.
That's all. Sa Duravani.
Yes, Guruji, I'm not practicing that. That's why I'm
What is it we are doing? We are doing practicing only.
Yes. Okay, Guruji. These are teachers. Te Adhyapikaha.
Say, what is the word for teacher?
Adhyapak.
Adhyapak. Maybe it's a Hindi, maybe. I don't know. Adhyapaka.
Adhyapaka. Okay, Guruji.
Adhyapika is Strilinga. So
Yes,
your
Guruji.
choice whether you want to use Strilinga or Pullinga.
Okay, Guruji.
But you said Adhyapika in the beginning. And that you didn't say it properly. Anyway. So now translate. What may be the gender you take? Your choice.
Ete Adhyapike.
Ete Adhyapike. These are two teachers.
No. Etaha Adhyapikaha.
Etaha Adhyapikaha. They are, these are teachers. Okay, fine. Etaha Adhyapikaha. If it is Pullinga,
No, it is Strilinga.
that's okay. If it is Pullinga, what will happen? I'm asking.
Etaha Adhyapikaha.
That's you're done already. Etaha Adhyapikaha is Strilinga. If
Okay.
it is Pullinga, what will be the sentence? If the word for teacher, if it is Pullinga,
Te Adhyapikaha.
okay. Others, please. What is the word for sentence for it?
Ete adhyapakaha.
Adhyapakaha.
Very good. Ete Adhyapakaha. That is the answer. Okay, continue. Maji, understand?
Okay, Guruji. Sorry. They are beggars.
Yes. What is the word for beggar? You should not take too much time in the class. It's online class.
Yes, Guruji. I'm practicing this. Sorry, Guruji. Next time I will try.
Okay, next person, Deepika ji.
Yes, Guruji.
Hmm.
They are beggars. Te bhikshukaha.
Good. Bhikshukaha. Bhikshuka is a word.
Yes.
We have seen this word before. Bhikshuka.
Yes,
If it is
Guruji.
Strilinga, Bhikshuki. Bhikshuki.
Bhikshuki. Okay.
Okay, if it is Bhikshuki, what is the translation?
They. So if it's a bhikshuki, then it will be taha
Good.
bhikshukihi.
Taha.
Bhikshukaha.
Bhikshukaha. Bhikshuki is the Pratipadikam, I said. How will you get Bhikshukaha?
Bhikshuke, bhikshuk. Bhikshuki, Bhikshu,
Listen, Bhikshuki, I said. What do you understand by
Okay.
this word?
like Nadi Shabda?
Nadi Shabda. Then
Okay.
decline Nadi Shabda.
Okay. The Bhikshukyaha.
Bhikshukyaha. That is the Nadi
Bhikshukyaha.
Nadyo Nadyaha.
Yes,
Bhikshuki, Bhikshukyau, Bhikshukyaha.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, continue.
Then this is universe, prapancha. Ayam prapanchaha.
Good.
Those are stars. Te nakshatraha.
Nakshatra is Napumsakalinga.
Okay. So te phalam phale. Nakshatre.
Nakshatre. How you get Nakshatre? Only 2 stars are there.
Those are, sorry, many stars. Tani, that will be nakshatrani.
Tani Nakshatrani.
Tani nakshatrani.
Okay. Next person. Akanksha.
Yes, Guruji. She is an actor. Actor is Nati, Guruji.
Good. Yes, you can say.
But she, how, Achha, so sa Nati.
Sanati. That's what it is. Sanati.
Hmm.
She is generally it is away.
Okay.
The one who is near, you will either address as this or this. You will say she also,
Hmm.
but here we will take it as so it is far away. She is.
Okay.
Yes.
This is tongue. Jihva.
Hmm.
Jihva is so Iyam Jihva.
Jikva, what linga?
Strilinga.
It's good. Iyam is Strilinga. So Iyam Jikva. It's correct. Don't worry. Huh? Iyam Jikva. It's correct. Yes.
They are vessels.
Hmm.
Vessels is Patra Shabda.
Patra Shabda. What linga?
Napumsaklinga. So vessels means Patrani, and they are vessels Tani Patrani.
Tani Patrani. Good. Continue.
This is an aeroplane. Vimana Shabda. Vimana, Guruji, Pullinga.
No.
Pullinga.
Vimana, we have seen this word.
Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga.
Okay. So this is an aeroplane. Is idam vimanam.
Good. You see the column, the list of words I have given before this exercise. Please go
Yes.
through that. The words are there. You can find out the gender and write the meaning also.
Yes.
All the words are there. Not much vocabulary, at least at this stage, we are supposed to have. Just read the words. You understand? We have used the words so many times in our class for many contexts we have used. In practice, we have used.
Yes.
Okay.
Guruji.
So, and Vimana and all, those words will be there. Yes. Continue.
Yes, Guruji. Those are buses. Basayan.
Basayana.
Basayana. Again, those. So, Tani.
Good.
Basa. Alani.
Basa.
Basayanani.
Good. Tani Basayanani. Basayanam, Basayane, Basayanani. Next person. Yajna Priyaji. Quickly.
Yes, ji. That is a temple. Devalaya. Devalayaha. Te Devalayaha. That is.
Those are temples? No, that is a temple.
That is a temple. Tad Shabdam only, no ji. So then te we can use.
They is can use, but it is Bhagavachanam. The
Oh,
word
Bhagavatam,
here,
then it is.
sentence is not Bhagavachanam.
That is a temple. Saha Devalayaha.
Mismatch of number.
That is a temple only, no ji. Devalayaha.
Devalayaha, what vachana?
It's Ekavachanam, Devalayaha.
You said Devalayaha.
Sorry, ji.
Do you practice or not daily? Do you read Shabda?
Yeah, I read ji.
Or once in a week only in the class?
No, ji. I spend time at least 5 minutes daily, as you say.
This vachana mistake, you are doing it frequently. So you have to correct it. Saha Devalayaha.
Devalayaha.
Te Devalayaha. That is fine. But to say Saha Devalayaha, it's wrong.
Right. Ji. This is Himalayas. This Himalayas. You can take it as
Himalayas is the word. Himalaya. In Sanskrit, Himalaya.
Himalaya. I'll take it in Pullinga Shabdam ji. Himalaya.
It is only Pullinga. You don't have a choice. Only Pullinga.
Yeshaha.
Yes, why not?
Yeshaha Himalaya.
That's all. Yeshaha Himalayaha, I am Himalayaha. That is your choice.
Okay.
Whether it is close or so close, it's not mentioned.
Right. I thought of Himalayas to be used as Bahuvachanam.
In English, Himalayas only.
Okay.
Sanskritam Himalayaha. Himalayo, Himalayaha, Bahuvachanam also it is. Okay.
Yes. She is a doctor. Sa Vaidya.
Yes. Quickly.
They are soldiers. Soldiers is Sainika. They Saha Sainikaha.
Same mistake you're doing. You see, I said no. Same mistake.
Sainikaha. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha.
There is no Ramaha, Ramaha.
Sorry, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Sainikaha.
But you are saying te, or you are saying Saha Sainikaha. That is wrong.
I said Yeshaha, no ji. Yeshaha Sainikaha.
Sainikaha you have to say, not Sainikaha. Sorry, if it is Yeshaha Sainikaha. Then
Yeshaha Sainikaha.
But Yete
Sainikaha.
Sainikaha. But you said in Bhagavachanam, making that demonstrative pronouns Ekavachanam. That's why I said. You said Saha in the beginning. Anyway.
Okay. This is a mango tree. I
In
am.
fact, you can use Saha for this sentence. They are soldiers is Te Sainikaha. That is it.
Yes, ji. Te Sainikaha. Yes. Sainikaha. This is a mango tree. I am Amara Vrikshaha.
Good. I am Amara Vrikshaha. Next
These
person.
two.
Yes. Sublakshmi ji. Quickly. Sublakshmi ji, are you there?
These two are singers.
Meeting will end automatically. You have to read quickly.
Ime Gayakaha.
Good.
They are robbers.
They too are robbers.
They too are robbers.
Oh, sorry, 1 minute. What did you say? Ime Gayakaha. That is wrong. Okay. What is Ime?
Imo, Ime, Ima.
Imo, Ime, Imaha. What is it? What is Imo, Ime, Imaha? Which Shabda is that Imo? Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
These are singers.
No, I think we have to stop here. No time now. You have to say it correctly. Think.
Imaha Gayakaha.
Imaha Gayakaha means it is this.
Plural form.
What is Imaha? What gender is Imaha?
Pullinga.
Really? Pullinga, you have got the form Imaha.
I am Ime Imaha.
That is. Please check the Shabda. I have never taught you like that. I am Imo Imaha is there in Pullinga? No. Anybody? What is the form for Pullinga?
Ayam imau.
Imau, ime.
Ime.
Sorry, I am imau, imaha.
Ime,
No,
ime,
I
am
am
imau, ime.
imau,
I have
Okay.
written also ime,
Yes, yes.
ime gayakaha.
That is okay.
Okay.
But you didn't say that. Ime Gayakaha is Bhagavachanam. These are singers. But here Dvivachanam is these two are singers.
Imau,
Gayakau.
gayakau.
Imau Gayako should be.
Okay.
If you want a female singers, that is different. Gayika is Shabda. Akaranta Shabda. These two are female singers. The gender is not mentioned. So if you take a Srilinga, then Ime Gayike you have to say. Your choice. The Shabda, what I chanted in the beginning, you have to memorize it. No mistakes allowed in that. When you do mistake, as long as you are doing it, no, you are not doing correctly, then till then you have to keep on doing the same abhyasa. You have to keep reading the same thing till you say it correctly. All of you have to practice it. These are the basics. When you say a word with a vachanam, then the demonstrative pronoun has to be of the same vachanam. Immediately that should come to your mind. That is abhyasa. That is a practice. If this practice is done, later based on that, other things are going to come. Okay, we will stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawada
Dhanyavadaha.
Guruji.
Please keep practicing it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji, definitely.